Manata sa short biography of Maslow. Now let us go to Maslow's assumptions on motivation. Big deal kayong Maslow kining motivation because may focus sa ihang psychology. According to him, motivation is to be adopted with holistic approach. Diba? Kay lagmit gud nato, we are dealing with motivation as just only as a part of the human person. Dili mura ba siya bulag sa whole person of the human person instead of adapting it as integral to his or her humanity. And that usually complex reasoning motivation, and that people are continually motivated by one need or another, one after the other, and that all people everywhere are mixed by the same basic needs. Muna siya universality sa psychology ni Maslow nga kitang tanang mga tao na baka sa Pilipinas or wala, na baka sa Amerika or asa ka nga nasod, we are all driven by the same basic needs. And muna ato i-discuss niya. And that needs can be arranged on a hierarchy, which is more or the most popular in the psychology of Abraham Maslow. Ato na siya palamlan niya. Found in the hierarchy of needs are the cognitive needs. Sa may pasabot niya cognitive needs. They have a striving or motivational character. Basic needs. Kung may basic needs, kung may ka basic, that means that something is very foundational. Pundasyon sa pagpakabuhi, nga kung wala ni siya, dili mabuhi ang tao. So that's the motivational or the basic needs of Abraham Maslow. Mano siya ang mga cognitive needs. Now let us deal with the hierarchy of needs of Maslow. Physiological, muna siya ang pinaka-base. Physiological from the word physis, Physio, physio, lawas, bodily needs required for human survival, air, water, food, clothing, shelter. Next, sa hierarchy, mura siya og hagdan gikan sa physiological. Next nato is ang safety and security. Personal, kung may tag safety, that means it is personal, financial, security, health, safety net. So personal, syempre sa mga personal and financial security, kung ma-secure ganita, okay, nindot ang feeling. Kung healthy ganita, that's also a need. Kung safety ganita, our safe is also our need. Next is the love and belongingness. And higher to love and belongingness, next step, esteem, accepted, valued by others. And lastly, the self-actualization. And kung maingon ta hierarchy, from the word hierarchy, syempre, that's a ladderized concept. Ang first step, gikan ta sa physiological. Next step, security and safety. Next step, love and belonging. And next, esteem towards self-actualization. And since this is a ladder, dili ta pwedeng manglaktaw. And for example, physiological is a prerequisite of safety and security. At the same time, safety and security is a prerequisite of love and belonging. And love and belonging is a prerequisite of esteem. And esteem is a prerequisite of self-actualization. Mano siya nindot kaya ni siyang atong tanawon sa psychology ni Abraham Maslow. Since for example, ganahan ka nga ang imong hinigugma, safety kaayo or secured kaayo siya. Nya wala pa nimo pakan-a. Unsaon man niya, how can you make someone safety kung gigutom na siya? Or love and belongingness, well cared for kaayo na siya, welcoming kayo ka, pero wala po nimo siya i-attend ang iyang physiological ug ang safety and security. ang iyang personal financial or ang safety net, ang iyang health. So dili jap mo siya. Or for example, you are trying to inculcate in the life of that person the value, the self-valuation nga siya esteem, na siya bili, magsigaringon, bililhon lagi ka. But you never let him or her feel that he is loved, that he belong. You neither make him safe or secured, or even you never attended his or her physiological needs. So saan man ana? So esteem is unattainable when those which are in those below the ladder of the hierarchy are not attended to. And lastly, self-actualization. Kinahanglan ta nga na physiological, na attend ang atong physiological, ang atong safety, ang love and belonging, ang atong esteem, una ta mahimong self-actualized. That's for Maslow. Next to that is the modern view of, naano siya sa Maslow na, but it is depend kay sa Maslow maromantic cognitive needs kitong naa diri sa hierarchy nato kini. But giusa ang ihang mga psychology, so naay nadugang nga tulo, and these are the cognitive needs, the aesthetic needs, and above the self-actualization is the transcendence. Muna siya ang atong identify karon. Okay, ang naa sa hierarchy of needs, which is this, are just the cognitive needs. But now we are going to deal with the cognitive needs, the aesthetic needs, and the transcendent needs. The helping others to actualize. This is more platonic. Okay, from equipping oneself towards helping other people. Transcendence. Aesthetic needs. What do we mean by aesthetic needs? This need is not universal. Those who have them want beautiful, orderly environment, and will become sick if not met. Mao na siya ang mga tao nga limpyado, ganahag gwapo. Pero dili na siya universal sa tanang mga tao, kay na may mga tao nga mabuhi rag hugaw nga palibot. But those who are with aesthetic needs, ganahan yun na sila limpyo nga environment, o kung dili gani limpyo, dili gani beautiful and orderly ang ilang environment, they will become sick.